In this video, I'll show you how to add friends and also send friend requests on your PS5. Very easy. So no matter where you are, or maybe even if you're on a game, you're going to press the PlayStation button when you're ready to do so. And this menu will appear down below. You need to go in these options and select Game Base. Click on Game Base. Okay. And here you see you're going to have search for players and also friend requests. If you go and search for players, you're going to have to enter their name, game tag here. I'll just type something completely random, press done, and you're going to have all the options here. If you select one of those, let's say you think this is your friend, you're not sure, you can always send that person a message over here before adding that person. Anyway, once you're done, click add friend and the person will receive a friend request that they will have to accept. Now, if you have friend requests, it's in the same menu. Let me go back in the game base, friend requests, and you're going to see them all over here, the one that you sent and the one that you received. Once you get friends on your account, you're going to all see them in a list here, and these options will appear down below. If you don't see these options, you simply need to press the options button here, so you have go to game base, and then you'll have access to whatever I just show you. Search for player and friend requests. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get accessories for your PS5 or like a new controller, cables, chargers, anything of this matter. See you in the next one.